Today we're going to be removing our windshield wiper assembly, and we're going to start off by taking off these 4 little plugs that you removed. We used this tool right here that came in the Amazon kit with all the new ones to remove it. Then we're going to take our Torx 30 and we're going to take off these 4. There's 1 on each side, 2 on each side, and then our 13 or 1/2 inch to take off the windshield wiper arms. So we're just going to go ahead and screw them out. Oh boy. This cap slides out, then you're going to put your 13mm socket on there. Stick a wrench in there, and that works pretty good. At which point you will expose this, which has some more of those clips that you can remove with this tool right here. Nice and easy. And right over here, nice and easy. And that comes right out. And that's oh, it has a clip on the back. Clip on this side. So don't just yank them out, they got clips. Push down on that top piece. So your next tool for the job is going to be a 10mm. Take those out. Oh my god, I'm sucking. Sorry guys. This one and that one over there is a 10mm. And now I'm going to actually put it on camera so you can see. Loosen those up. I got a burn on my hand. Don't be grossed out, guys. I did that with the exhaust pipe of the Jeep. And where we broke is right there, as you can see. So we're going to be unplugging this. You got to pull out that little safety clip first. Hold on, let me get a screwdriver. So pull out the safety clip, and then you squeeze down on this little piece right here. Pull out, and then that's unhooked. And then this motor has a piece that goes in on the bottom right there on that grommet. So you pull upward, and it comes right out. Then we're going to be removing these 3 Torx head and that other 13mm in order to change this with the new assembly. So I'm over here trying to loosen this, and it's pretty hard to do, so I'm going to have to figure something out. There it goes. No. Well, I figured it out. So the proper size on this nut is not a 13, it's a 1/2 inch. It's a standard. The 13 will slip a little bit if it's tight, like this one was. So keep that in mind. So when you unhook your motor from the assembly, there's the assembly down there. There's the motor. Here's your 3 bolts. Takes a little whipping on it. You gotta hit it with something to make it come off if it's rusted up like mine was. And here is the new assembly. There's the old assembly, I had to beat it off. And there's my motor. We're gonna put them together now. So the motor will come in through the back side and then go through to the assembly. So we got our 3 bolts on, our 3 Torx head bolts, 30 T30s, and then that 1/2 inch nut in the middle. Don't worry, your 1/2 inch nut in the middle has a different thread than your windshield wipers, so you won't be able to confuse them. If you buy the cheap windshield wipers like I did, they're not going to have the presets on them, so you're going to have to turn them on and then find the 0 spot to place the windshield wipers on. Something important to note is when you're doing the alignment, make sure that both of the 2 arm bars are around the bottom and that this is facing towards the plug. The little leg that stems out towards the plug. What I did is I plugged the motor in, let it cycle, and it starts obviously at the bottom, and then hook up the bars where they're all the way at the bottom. So you open these up and then you slide the wiper blade on. Make sure get it all the way in there nice and deep like. I don't know if this is the right one. Vamos a probar así. Close that on top. There's your new wiper blade. And like that. Yee! Might want to put a nut on there.
Huh?
This is the moment of truth here. Oh, I gotta plug it in. Turn it off?
No.
Yeah, now try it again. Do it again. I love it. One looks a little higher than the other though, right? I need to go down a little bit with that one. Hit it again. That thing's going far across the windshield. Hold on. So now I'm starting my next project while I'm all the way in here. I'm going to be taking off these hinges that are corroded, and I'm going to wire wheel them down, take off the paint, and I'm going to paint them black because the other one looks like crap. They had some blue plastic covers on them, but I think that looks even crappier, so here's what we're going to do. These bolts on the back are 13 millimeter. Or a 1/2 inch would work as well. And the ones on the top, the ones on the hood are Torx T50. So there's our finished product. We've got the black hinges. Line up our hood a little better. Got our windshield wipers working. Let's give you a little demo. That's the demo. What you guys think about that? Oh yeah. We loosened up all the hinges on the door, but they don't want to, these bolts right there, the Torx, they don't want to come off. So I sprayed some WD-40 in between these seams here. Give them a couple days and we'll try again. That way we can have all these hinges paint matched black. About to change this back hinge now. I'm gonna take off these 213s right here, and then this Torx 50. And there's another Torx 50 on the other side of this that you can't see right now, but once you get off these two, you'll be able to see it.